Hello, and welcome to Carpinfinity. Today, I will be walking you through how to machine our 2x2 woven twill discovered metal plate stock. We start off the process by belt sanding the edges of the plate. You want to ensure the metal edge is fully exposed on at least two sides. We prefer to do one long edge and one short. This ensures you can zero off of these exposed edges, as you will see. Lucky for you, this process will already be completed, but I just like to show how we do it in-house. Now, we fixture the part by taping it and the jig. Masking tape works for this process as well. What you're seeing here is some specialized tape that we use for some other molding practices that we do. After the tape is applied, we use super glue with an accelerator to affix the plate stock to the jig. To ensure the plate is level, we then weigh it down with a bigger piece of metal for a few minutes before we zero. We recommend using your own internal touch-off protocols, but here's ours as an example. First, touch off on the jig, then the two exposed edges from earlier. Your plates will have all the edges exposed already, so don't worry too much about orienting it correctly. Now comes the fun part. With a tungsten carbide 2-flute chamfer end mill, we engrave the carbon plate, exposing the inner metal. I love this part of the process. We call these plates discovered metals, as you are seeing the magic of machining into one material and exposing another hidden within. Our background is in aerospace, aviation, and defense manufacturing as a Tier 2 or 3 supplier to the Department of Defense. For nearly 2 decades, we have done dissimilar material bonding for this agency, and we decided one day to adapt the process for civilian application. Once the engraving process is completed, we switch to the 3-flute carbide aluminum end mill. The first pass should only go through carbon, then subsequent passes will go through aluminum, finishing with a final pass through the last layer of carbon below. As you can see, even at 20 times speed, this is a slow process that you'll want to proceed cautiously with. After the tags have been fully cut out, we then place onto our heated platen hydraulic lab press. This is to melt the glue for easier dismounting. There you have it, the full machining process for a 2x2 woven twill discovered metal plate stock. Carbon fiber machines a lot like wood, so you'll want to take a diamond file or some 1500 grit sandpaper and smooth out your edges for that smooth, hand-friendly edge finish. Thanks for watching.